Whoa, look at that sparkle.
I hope you like it.
Gee, hasn't been. Looks lovely. Look at them seeds. Gee, thank you. Oh, and then the thing there.
Yeah, it's not really dried yet.
No, I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going
so it's gonna take some time to dry. Your seeds, I remember, they look like dirty white.
Yeah.
And they're unique, actually. They're quite unique, the seeds. Well, I mean the colouring, because it's got blacks and creamy.
Oh, it looks lovely. Oh, I don't want to get in it now.
Just like the last time I did it.
Yeah.
I'm glad you like it.
It does look lovely. It does look lovely.
Always like to leave a smile on your face.
It's lovely. I've been putting it off for a long time and it's got worse and worse.
Well, when it gets worse, you get your money's worth.
Yeah, that's true. No, I didn't realise you were the same man. I just went through the things on the internet thing.
And then you found it.
Yeah.
It means I'm still on top spot, don't I?
Yeah, you've got some good write-ups.
Yes,
that's what
yes.
I look for.
I hope you do me one.
No, it looks lovely. It looks really lovely.
Glad you like it. This is why I love detailing. It's almost like instant gratification. You know, when you see your clients very happy with what you've done, you can't go wrong. It encourages you to do even more. So in this video, I've showed you the after. Before, I'm showing you the before. You know, just so you know how it is looking now before. I mean, it's sort of reverse way of normally doing these videos. I'm trying to show you how happy the clients are just before. It's so important to refresh your car interior every now and then, because you know it's one of those things, like it's just like in your house, if you don't clean it and the dirt keep accumulating before you realize it's overwhelming. It's similar to cars. I mean, you won't leave your house unclean for a year or two. You will be cleaning it more often. Cars, unfortunately, are not in the same kind of class where, you know, it doesn't get so dirty as in the house, because you go in it, unless it's a daily driver, you know. But the point I'm trying to make is it's important to give your car interior a very, very good detailing session, either once or twice a year, or depending on how you use it, as often as possible. This car, I've done it 3 years ago, and the lady didn't realize that I'm the same person she's calling. But when she saw me, she realized that it was the same person. So that felt very nice and good, you know. And the lady really appreciate the work done, the effort, the 2.5 hours spent on this pretty little Fiat 500 was worth it. And I mean, if you want to see the after, look at the before and then go back and look from the beginning of the video, and you see what we have brought it down to now. DetailingLaw, North Hertfordshire area, London as well. Give us a call. We are mobile. We'll come to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.